Hello beautiful people, my name is Leon and welcome to this video. So today's video is a quick video about the law of mirroring or the law of attraction, and yeah, I would like to talk about it and what it really implies in our lives, because most of you are familiar with the term and most of you know that it just means that the same or similar energies attract each other, and because we live in an energetic universe where everything is energy, we are also energy, and so everything has unique energy, frequency, unique vibration, and that vibration is attracting similar energies into our life. So that basically means that everything in our life, our life circumstances, the people in life, our jobs, whatever, everything in our life is just a reflection of our own vibration, and our own vibration is basically what we think, what we feel, what we do, our beliefs, basically what you can call as our insights. So our insides are constantly mirrored into outside, and that is really important to understand and really important to use in this life, because that basically means that our potential is endless. The way we humans work, the way we humans think, is that we have to go out into the world and achieve something. We have to prove something. We have to get attention from other people, get approval from other people in order to feel good. We always want to search fulfillment and happiness in the outside and do that through achieving something, at least most of the time. And yeah, that is basically how society is teaching us how life works or how we can achieve happiness. But with the law of mirroring or the law of attraction in mind, that is basically not true, or only true to some degree, because yeah, like I said, in the end, our outside life is just a mirror of our inside, and so your potential is endless because you just have to change your inside in order to change the outside. So what this law is implying is make your inside, your vibration, your feeling state, your number one priority in life, and everything else will fall into place. It also means that every desire that you have, everything you want to achieve, is already achieved, and it's just a matter of your insight. So the shortcut to the life that you always wanted is, in the end, trusting in the universe, because trusting in the universe means trusting in yourself, because we are not separate from everything, we are one with everything. We are just a part of the universe, like a cell in our body is just a part of our body and it's building our body. We are a part of the earth building the earth, and the earth is a part of the other planets in our sun system, and so on. So in the end, we are a part of everything. We are just the universe experiencing ourselves. And if our life is a reflection of our inside, then if we trust in ourselves, and if we trust in the universe, trust in the process, then that will be reflected outside again into our world. That is obviously easier said than done, but in the end it's the truth. And the reason why I'm making this video is to remind you, and to first of all remind me about the fact again that trust and my inner state is the most important part, and to not get lost in the outside and to not feel bad if I can't achieve that or this instantly. But yeah, that I just have to focus on my inside, and I just have to trust the process. And another important question that comes to my mind right now is, why is it so hard to just trust? And the reason is that we got programmed in this society in order to believe the opposite of what is actually true. What I just said, that we always want to achieve something and need approval outside of us and so on. And yeah, if our mind is programmed that way, then that will obviously get reflected into our life. That is what our life is looking like. And so yeah, like I said, make your inside your priority and your outside will change as well. So yeah, that is basically what I wanted to tell you and to tell me with this video, that trust is basically the key to a fulfilled life. So trust in yourself, trust in the universe, which is the same thing in the end. You're just a fragment of the universe. But hey, if we feel 100% in alignment with the universe, then our outside world will fall into place. That obviously takes some time to manifest, but it will not manifest in the future, it will manifest in the present, and that is why you have to make the present moment your number one priority and to trust in the universe. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And other than that, have a beautiful day, be present, trust in yourself, and enjoy your journey. Peace.